Why would Rick Sanchez turn himself in?
Well, I'm just a dumbass bug, but it's possible Rick knew he'd be interrogated at this facility where we not only keep our most wanted, but our most sensitive data.
Yeah! Steel Team Rick's in the house! Hi, Rick. Bye, Rick. D99, you okay? Council of Rick sent us. We have your Morty and Summer. They're prisoners on the Citadel. Great.
Can we just portal home?
Not until I finish what I started. And that is how you get level 9 access without a password. Watch closely as Grandpa topples an empire by changing a 1 to a 0.
Gentlemen! There's a solution here you're not seeing. Give me your jacket! Give me those pants!